Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy bun in just 3 simple steps. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, and then I'm simply going to divide the hair straight across in half. Step 2 is we're going to pop the sections into ponytails. So the top half I'm positioning slightly to the right hand side, and then the bottom half of the hair I'm popping it in a ponytail to the left hand side. Add some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then this is optional, but I've decided to pinch and pull at the hair for a little bit more messy texture and volume. And then step 3 is creating a knot. So with each ponytail I just wrap it round my hand to create a loop and pull the ends through, giving me a knot. Hold this to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we just repeat on the bottom ponytail. So create your knot by wrapping it around your hand to form a loop and then pulling the ends through. Position this next to the first knot and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Tuck your ends underneath. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself keep coming back, please subscribe. I upload twice a week. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.